All right, so check out this 3-in-1 charger from Top Tier. This is a beautiful, sleek design, and it's just perfect for like your bedside table or even at work if you just need to charge your AirPods, your iPhone, and your Apple Watch. It has USB-C on the back for charging. It does come with the cable and the power point for the wall. And then you can pop your AirPods on and it will charge them. You can put your Apple Watch on the back and it will charge that. And you can put your iPhone on, just like we said. It's all MagSafe and just that quick to charge. It's fast charging and it looks so good. It's just gonna take all the cables away and just making it look nice and sleek. And I also love how you can turn your phone sideways really easily, and it can do that like alarm clock look. So just perfect for your bedside table. This would be a fantastic gift if somebody has all three of these things and they probably are sick of having to plug them all in separately. This 3-in-1 charger just does the job, and it does it better than I've seen other ones do, especially how sturdy it is and how sleek looking it is. So highly recommend this 3-in-1 charger from Top Tier, and thanks for watching.